After nearly a year since DJI introduced the original Neo, the excitement surrounding its successor, the DJI Neo 2, is reaching a fever pitch. With recent certifications surfacing on official regulatory databases like the FCC in the United States and IMDA in Singapore, we finally have confirmation that DJI is preparing to release its next-generation lightweight drone. This marks one of the most anticipated updates in DJI's compact drone series, especially for vloggers, travelers, and aerial content creators who crave portability without compromising performance. Industry analysts and drone enthusiasts have been watching these filings closely. The appearance of the Neo 2 on such regulatory platforms usually signals that a launch is just around the corner. While there have been rumors and leaks for months, this official confirmation adds substance to the speculation, indicating that DJI is entering the final stretch before an official announcement. The DJI Neo 2 could easily become one of the most popular lightweight drones of the year, blending innovation, usability, and cutting-edge imaging technology. From early documentation, it's clear that DJI has registered a new radio device, which many believe is the updated remote controller for the Neo 2. This follows standard regulatory protocol, as both the drone and its controller require separate radio frequency certifications. Interestingly, some enthusiasts speculated about the possibility of RFID integration or enhanced beacon technology, but the current filings do not provide any evidence of such additions. Instead, this move highlights DJI's dedication to global compliance, ensuring seamless international launches without communication or signal interference issues. One of the most discussed upgrades in the Neo 2 is its battery system. According to reports, the Neo 2 will pack a 1606 mAh battery, a noticeable increase from the 1435 mAh unit in the first-generation Neo. While a 12% increase might seem modest, it translates to an extended flight time of over 20 minutes, compared to the original's 18-minute average. In the world of micro-drones, every extra minute counts, especially for those capturing cinematic shots, conducting indoor flights, or experimenting with creative aerial photography. DJI's engineers have long prioritized energy efficiency and weight management, so the company is expected to deliver this boost in performance without compromising the drone's ultralight design or crossing regulatory thresholds like the FAA's 250-gram limit. Design-wise, the DJI Neo 2 appears to maintain the sleek, modern aesthetic that made its predecessor a fan favorite. It's likely to weigh roughly the same as the original model, keeping it within the registration-free range in most countries. However, subtle refinements in build quality and durability are expected. Leaked prototype descriptions point toward dual-layered propeller guards, replacing the single-layer design of the first model. This improvement significantly enhances safety, particularly for beginners who fly in tight spaces or indoors. The extra protection will reduce the risk of propeller damage or wall collisions, making the Neo 2 ideal for both new pilots and experienced flyers who like to push the limits. When it comes to the camera, DJI seems to be preparing a major leap forward. The original Neo featured a 12-megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS, backed by digital stabilization features like rock steady and horizon balancing. The new Neo 2, according to several insider leaks, might be equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, a major jump from the previous 1.2-inch sensor. This larger sensor promises superior low-light performance, higher dynamic range, and richer color accuracy, bridging the gap between mini drones and DJI's more premium models, like the Mini 4 Pro. If true, this upgrade would position the Neo 2 as a go-to option for vloggers and content creators who want cinematic quality in a truly portable drone. In addition to hardware upgrades, the Neo 2 is expected to introduce refinements in AI-assisted flight technology. DJI's intelligent flight features, including active track, palm takeoff, landing, and quick shot modes, are likely to return with improved accuracy and smoother performance. The enhanced onboard processor should deliver faster subject tracking, better obstacle detection, and more stable flight paths. This is a big win for creators who prefer automated shots without manual control. These AI updates also make the Neo 2 ideal for travel, action sports, or vlog-style filming, allowing users to capture professional footage effortlessly. Battery performance will once again play a key role in the Neo 2's appeal. With a combination of aerodynamic design optimization and smarter power management, DJI is expected to deliver longer flight durations without sacrificing speed or maneuverability. Engineers may also refine the motor structure and propeller shape to enhance thrust efficiency and minimize noise, something creators filming indoors or in quiet environments will appreciate. The balance between longer battery life, image stability, and flight agility could make the Neo 2 one of the most efficient compact drones DJI has ever built. Beyond hardware and performance, DJI's regulatory filings indicate the brand's continued dedication to safety and global compliance. By aligning with FCC and IMDA standards, DJI ensures that the Neo 2 can legally operate across multiple regions without radio interference or transmission issues. These certifications also imply that DJI is finalizing distribution and logistics for a global release, potentially signaling an official announcement soon. Given the company's history, the Neo 2 could debut through a global livestream or a teaser campaign, as seen with previous launches. Performance-wise, users can expect DJI's trademark smooth control system and precision flight experience. Whether flying indoors, through narrow spaces, or outdoors in moderate wind, the Neo 2's flight stabilization and intuitive controls will likely remain top tier. Combined with the rumored larger image sensor and improved stabilization algorithms, pilots can anticipate stunning aerial footage with crisp detail, balanced exposure, and minimal distortion. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 represents a major evolution for DJI's small drone lineup, pushing the boundaries of what a lightweight drone can achieve. With extended battery life, advanced AI tracking, a larger camera sensor, and improved build safety, the Neo 2 promises to be more than just a casual flyer's gadget. It's shaping up to be a powerful creative tool that caters to vloggers, filmmakers, travelers, and anyone who values convenience combined with professional-grade performance. As DJI continues to dominate the consumer drone market, the Neo 2 could reinforce the company's leadership in compact drone innovation. If these leaks and certifications are any indication, the launch is imminent, possibly within the next few weeks. The DJI Neo 2 might just redefine what we expect from mini drones in 2025, blending intelligent automation, portability, and professional imaging in one sleek package. Whether you're an experienced pilot or someone new to the world of drones, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most accessible yet powerful drones of the year. Keep an eye on DJI's official channels, because this next-generation marvel could take flight sooner than we think.